Hey everybody, this is Brandy for AK Savage Matrix, bringing you a quick tutorial slash review and unboxing on the Turtle Beach PX22s MOG editions. So get this off the start. I'm gonna show you this quick. Shows this is the box, well the other side of the box, the other thing on the box, the cover shows the amp, his features, the additional features, and then telling you that it's for music, movies, and games. Shows you all this in the back, all the information, specs, what it brings inside. First off, I got this for $80 at Best Buy. You could too. And GameStop is like, I think, $60 right now. This is the box, but I'm gonna just open this up right away. This is the I think this brings the quick start guide. Open this up. Quick start guide, stickers, and some other stuff there. Not that important. But yeah, I'm gonna also show you guys how to connect these on a PS4, but in a different way, not the way it shows out box. Everything. These have the cables. Yeah, these have the cables and accessories. Comes in here. And what I have in here, you might find weird or whatever, but yeah, I put this in the box. This is the inline amplifier of the PX22s. The headsets are in the back, and then this is a USB cable. I'll tell you what is that for in a second. And this is optical cables. This does not include with the product. This about this separate. And this is the Turtle Beach Air Force DSS. Wait, I know you guys, some of you have heard of the DSS 2, but these are way better, believe me. And what this does, it turns any stereo, whatever headsets, into virtual digital audio, which is amazing. It sounds awesome. Trust me. And almost, as you can see, this is the amplifier inside here. Check this out. Show you guys real quick. See that the PX22 amplifiers. I'm sorry for the lighting. As you can see, it shows volume rockets, then the equalizers, the treble, and the bass. The bass, my bad, whatever. And then I think it's for the mute and all that stuff. But I'm gonna show you guys how to connect everything in a few seconds. These are the headsets. They're very good. I returned these so many times because I didn't know how to. I wanted the whole thing to work. I wanted this to work on the PS4, but now I finally found a way. I'm gonna show you. Let me put this right here. Give me a second. Alright. See that? Alright. So these are the headsets. What you're gonna do is basically gonna take this out real carefully. Right. This goes into the amplifier right here. As you can see, what's inside there. Just like that. And then what you do next is some crazy long ass cable. You connect the USB of the amplifier right here and this inline right here into the DSS. See that right there? This is for this cable and the USB. The USB should be facing the Turtle Beach, which says Turtle Beach, and it goes right in. and this goes right in here, just like that. See? And then the next thing you do is you take the USB cable that comes with the DSS, you put it on this side. If it was one of those old Razor phones or whatever, like the old PS3 USB, you put it in, you connect that in here, and then this side goes on your PS4. The USB goes on the PS4, just like that. You can see that this turned on, and I'll show you this in a few. This will turn on in a few. I haven't turned it on yet. You can see it just power on, just like that, and the amplifier is on as well. Now the optical cable. Like I said, this is virtual Dolby Digital. So you will get good quality for this. Great quality. And that's that. And then you just connect that in the back. Connect that in the back of the PS4. And that should be it. Now, on the PS4, you're gonna have to go. Everything's connected. Okay, so it's gonna show you it has it connected. Who's using this device? I'll be using it, so of course. And then you go to settings. You go to settings. You go down to sound and screen, and then sorry for the shakiness and everything. And then you go to the audio output settings. Audio output settings should be digital, out, optical, should be Dolby Digital 5.1 channel. And then click OK. Output to headphones should be in chat audio. Then audio format should be Dolby, Bitstream Dolby. And we'll find out if it works. Okay. So, put this up. You might not hear. You could hear your mic if you put it all the way over here. Sounds good. I sound good. And you can put it down right here. You turn it off right there. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, everything's connected. Sorry, that's the. I could hear everything in here. So we're gonna go right here. Gonna put this up. This has to go up on the DSS. You have to put this up, and that's all. And then you can put the bass as high as you want here. Put it as low as you want. Put it as high as you want. Doesn't matter. You can put whatever. You can control it. If you put this all the way up on the DSS, you can put everything up here. Yeah, I won't use too much tremble because you're gonna hear that little shh in the background. But let me see if you guys could hear it. As you can see, I could hear it coming out. I could hear it coming out on these. But yeah, that's it. You could get this on Amazon for like, I don't know, like $50, $40, $20. I got this one for $30 on eBay. If you guys could get the DSS 2 or that or this one, so whatever you guys want. And yeah, that should be all, guys. Hope you guys comment, subscribe, and like this video if it really helped you guys out. If you guys need anything else, just let me know in the comment below. And this is Riley for AK's Matrix signing out. Thank you very much.